Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Today I'll show you the complete setup process for Byglo WiFi Extender using the WPS push-button method. This beginner-friendly tutorial will help you fix weak Wi-Fi problems and enjoy strong internet everywhere. Basically, Byglo WiFi Extender is a device that boosts your router's Wi-Fi signal to reach weak signal areas in your home or office. It helps improve internet speed and coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Now, first of all, take the Byglo Wi-Fi Extender out of the box. Plug it directly into a wall power socket near your router. Do not use an extension board during setup, it may cause power fluctuation. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. The power LED light should become solid, not blinking. If the light is blinking, wait until it becomes stable. This means the extender is ready for setup. Locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a circle or lock icon. Press and hold the WPS button for about 2 to 3 seconds. Release it when the WPS light starts blinking. Blinking light means the router is searching for a device to connect. Important note: you now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Now find the WPS button on the Byglo extender. Press it once, do not hold for too long. The extender LED will start blinking. This blinking means the extender is trying to connect to your router. Do not unplug or press any button during this process. Wait for about 30 to 90 seconds. The blinking light will stop and become solid. This means extender successfully connected or router Wi-Fi name password copied automatically. Now setup completed successfully. If the light turns red or keeps blinking for a long time, setup failed. After successful setup, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router the area where Wi-Fi signal is weak. Plug it into a wall socket. Open your phone Wi-Fi settings. You may see, same Wi-Fi name as router or Wi-Fi name with _ext added. Connect to it and check internet speed. If internet works normally, setup is successful. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.